I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program Hyundai Elantra key fob full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat, doors closed, engine off, and have the key fob ready in your hand. Locate the ignition slot or push button and keep all other keys away. I will walk you step by step through entering programming mode, syncing the fob, and testing each button so you can finish confidently and safely. Follow these steps to enter programming mode and prepare the vehicle for a new fob. Use the ignition sequence I describe and watch for a visible or audible confirmation from the car. If the vehicle requires a master remote, use it first, then add additional fobs in the same session. Keep commands deliberate and steady, and pause briefly between actions to ensure the car registers each input before proceeding to synchronization. Thanks for sticking with me so far, and if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I keep an Oala water bottle nearby during all my garage sessions because staying hydrated helps you focus on small tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can learn more about it, then grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. Now we will sync the new key fob to the vehicle using button sequences and confirmation steps. I will describe pressing combinations, waiting for feedback, and verifying each control function. After a successful sync, test lock and unlock from a short distance, then test trunk and panic. If a function fails, repeat the sequence or try replacing the fob battery. Stay patient and methodical for reliable results and minimal frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.